Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I want to welcome you. If you're returning, I want to say welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing a recipe for seafood ramen boil. This is going to be super delicious, but before we jump into the video, please don't forget to hit the like button. It helps the channel out a lot. Share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at these ingredients. Here I'll be using some shrimp crab legs and some lobster tails. I also have some corn, and this is the noodles that I like using. I usually get it at the Asian store. It's perfect for this recipe. I love the flavor, the spiciness of it, and I like the texture of the noodles. But if you can't find this, you can simply use whatever you have on hand or what's available to you. I also have some eggs, some coconut milk. I'll be using this zaterains boil in a bag. I like the flavor that it, gives off. And I'll be using some Old Bay seasoning, butter, some chili paste. I have salt, shrimp bouillon, Old Bay again, some lime flavored seasoning, Cajun seasoning. I have thyme, parsley, some onions, garlic, and some white wine. Let's get into this recipe. So to a pot with some water, I will add some garlic, onions, my Old Bay seasoning, and some boil in a bag. I'm adding half of this bag. We will give it a stir, allow it to come up to a simmer, then we will start adding our ingredients. Next, we'll add our corn, sausage, and eggs, and we'll allow those to boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. After about 8 minutes, I like to remove the eggs and just set them aside so they won't overcook. Next, we'll add the seafood and allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes max. You do not want these to stay long in here. They will overcook and become tough and rubbery. In about 2 minutes, I just remove mine because as soon as you drop them in, they cook immediately. Remove, set aside, and just let us prepare the sauce that we can pair everything up with. Here to a preheated saucepan, I will add a little bit of oil and then we'll go in with our onions and garlic. We will cook these first a little before adding the butter. Next, add your butter and allow those to melt. Next, I will add my chili paste. This is what I'm using for the spiciness. I'm using no black pepper here. This will add color to the sauce as well. Then I will follow up with my white wine. If you don't want to use white wine, you can use chicken broth. I will also add my coconut milk here. Make sure that you're using unsweetened coconut milk. You don't want this to be sweet. It will just ruin everything. So give that a stir, and then we will add our seasoning to add flavor and taste. We will also add our herbs here. And once everything simmers for about a minute or two, it will thicken. You can turn your heat off and set this aside. We will prepare the ramen so we can, assemble everything and enjoy. I know everyone knows how to cook ramen. You will just add your seasoning packet to the water. Then you will add your ramen in there, cook for about 3 minutes or however long you prefer. And that's basically it. And here you have it, my version of seafood ramen boil. This was so flavorful and delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy